Recycling. We are certainly more conscious of the carbon footprint we are leaving, and overall people are making more of an effort to recycle. However, there is still a lot more work to be done. There are 7 billion people on the planet, and each of these people produce, on average, 4.4 pounds of garbage per day. In one day, the world population increases by 200,000 people. In 1 week, this is nearly the population of Brisbane, Australia. In 1 month, this reaches the population figure of Philadelphia, USA, and in 6 months, the population of Venezuela. Within 1 year, we match the population count of Italy, with people to spare. At this rate, it takes the world 25 years to double in population. On average, the world recycles only about 30% of the waste they produce. Waste produced by the population is responsible for releasing 600 million tons of methane into the air each year. As landfills begin to overflow, and as rainwater begins to wash the expanded landfill toxics into the world's water supply, these emissions will generate serious health risks. Already, 2 million tons of sewage, industrial and agricultural waste are discharged into the world's water each day. Recycling can reduce greenhouse gas emissions by up to 75%, and recycling paper alone can reduce water pollution by 35%. There is a lot of speculation surrounding the issue of recycling. Some say that recycling consumes more energy than it saves, whilst others say that recycling your home waste is a waste of time, as it all ends up on the same landfill anyway. To this I say that it is proven that to recycle glass takes much less energy than it does to create it from raw materials, as the manufacturers require a much lower temperature in their furnaces. The same can be said for aluminium. The energy involved in mining bauxite, transportation, extraction, then preparing it for creating products, far exceeds the amount of energy required to break down an aluminium can for reuse. As for those who speculate that their attempt at recycling is undermined by councils simply dumping it all on the same landfill, I put this to you. Is it not better to recycle anyway and take the chance that it is being reused, than it is to just throw everything in one bin where it would definitely end up on a landfill? With the pressures of population and waste coming together at once, we must look to recycling to maintain our natural resources. If we do not, the planet will not be a pleasant place to live.